Creating vertical videos is incredibly important to gain reach on platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. The world of entertainment and content consumption is changing, and more people are opting into vertical short videos compared to traditional horizontal videos. Vertical videos provide an immersive viewing experience, taking up full screen real estate on mobile devices, which naturally appeals to the consumer more. Therefore, it's essential to ensure your creative is vertical ready for the best viewing experience. Also, vertical videos have the potential to be more engaging than traditional horizontal ones. This is because the vertical format captures a user's attention far more quickly on a mobile phone if your video is horizontally oriented. It can be difficult to understand what the content's about. Users may close the video. Therefore, creating a vertical video that have a strong visual impact and capture viewers' attention are key to driving engagement. On top of that, it's important to leverage one video and distribute them to multiple platforms. By doing so, you're multiplying the chances of going viral and increasing subscribership across all outlets you're using. Through multitasking on certain platforms, you can easily repurpose vertical video content and distribute them on multiple channels efficiently with little effort. In addition, given more and more video content is viewed without sound, you should ensure that viewers can understand the message without having to turn the sound on. Incorporating subtitles into your vertical video content can help you spread your message further, and it enables you to reach a wider audience, because even if someone can't play your video with sound, they can still understand what they're watching through subtitles. Overall, it's evident that creating vertical videos is increasingly important for businesses looking to gain an advantage over the competition. It's always worth leveraging one video and distributing them to multiple platforms to enable yourself to multiply the chances of going viral and increasing subscribership. With the creative use of the vertical format, businesses can increase engagement, spark conversations, and drive organic reach. According to Merriam-Webster, being authentic means keeping true to your own spirit, personality, and character, regardless of what others may think or do. In other words, it involves remaining genuine and honest in all of your activities in order to maintain your reputation. To an audience, authenticity can be determined throughout the content you produce and then the words you use when engaging with your viewers. Being authentic can have many advantages on YouTube. First and foremost, it can help grow your audience by increasing trust and loyalty. When an audience trusts a creator, they are more likely to watch, share, and comment on their videos, which will lead to an increased engagement and viewership. Moreover, an authentic creator will appeal to more people because they will connect with them on a deeper level and relate to what they are saying rather than simply being entertained. Additionally, since there are so many channels on YouTube, constantly vying for views, being unique and consistent with your content can be the key factor that sets you apart from the crowd. Transparency aids in building connections since it invites viewers to get to know the creator on a personal level that isn't possible throughout just words and images. You should also be honest with yourself and always strive to create content that you truly enjoy, even if it doesn't initially get too much attention. This will ensure that you enjoy the process creating content. Authenticity is essential for successful online growth on YouTube. Being authentic means keeping true to yourself, your content, and being transparent with your viewers. Doing so will also help increase trust and engagement from your audience and potentially lead to more success in the future. VidIQ is a powerful tool for anyone looking to get more views for their YouTube videos. It can help maximize the potential of each video and help increase the visibility of your content across the platform. With VidIQ, you can analyze all aspects of your video, from the title to the keywords and even the thumbnail, so you can identify potential problems and optimize each aspect of the video. The VidIQ dashboard provides real-time analytics and insights into the performance of your video. This includes the number of views, likes, comments, and even engagement rates. With these metrics, you can monitor the performance of your video and make changes as needed. The platform also provides suggestions for improving your video based on what's popular on YouTube. This lets you stay up to date on trending topics and create content that's more likely to catch viewers' attention. VidIQ also offers keyword research tools that let you discover popular terms related to your video topic. This will help you create more keyword-friendly titles and descriptions, which will improve the SEO of your videos and help them appear higher in search results. Finally, VidIQ can also help you measure how well your videos are performing compared to your competitors. This lets you see where you stand in relation to their videos and helps you stay ahead of the competition. In short, VidIQ is a great resource for anyone looking to get more views for their YouTube videos. It provides useful insights into the performance of your content, helps you identify potential problems, and suggests recommended improvements that can help boost your visibility and engagement on YouTube. Thumbnails are a visual representation of the content of your video, and they play a very important role in helping you get more views. When a viewer is scrolling through the search results, their eyes are instantly drawn to the thumbnails associated with the video. Thumbnails are visual advertisements for your video, and they help potential viewers decide which videos to watch. Strong thumbnails should be attention-grabbing, visually appealing, and accurately reflect the content of the video. This helps viewers easily decide whether the viewing experience will be worthwhile or not. The color, the layout, and the design of your thumbnail can also influence which videos viewers click on. You should use bold, vibrant colors, stand out against the other thumbnails which you're competing with. Adding personalized text can help viewers understand the content before they watch. A good thumbnail should also accurately depict the content in your video. People will be less likely to watch a video if the thumbnail doesn't accurately reflect its content. Similarly, using controversial or inappropriate content in thumbnails can be off-putting for some viewers and can result in potential viewers not clicking. If you're just starting out on YouTube, it's important to take the time to create strong thumbnails for every video. Always focus on creating visually appealing thumbnails and keeping them linked to the content of your video. Once you've established a recognizable thumbnail style, people will continue to come and watch your videos. In conclusion, thumbnails are one of the most important aspects of getting more views on YouTube. Thumbnails should be visually attractive and accurately represent what viewers are expecting when they click on your video. So make sure to take the time to create strong thumbnails, and you'll be well on your way to increasing your views and gaining more subscribers. The biggest mindset shift you'll need to make is that in the beginning, you need to focus on quantity over quality. It sounds counterintuitive, but this is the only way to get the ball rolling on growing your channel. If you're stuck on perfecting your first videos, you won't be able to build a following and grow your channel. One of the most important things when starting a YouTube channel is consistency. You may not get overnight success, but as long as you're consistently posting and engaging with your audience, you'll start to see growth in time. Consistently uploading content and building up a library of videos will give people more of an incentive to keep coming back. This doesn't mean that you should be posting low quality content just for the sake of it. To keep your audience engaged, you need to be mindful of the quality of your content and make sure that it is up to a standard. As your channel grows, having a high level of quality will become more important, so it's important not to neglect it in the early days. Be patient. The reality is that you won't become an overnight success, and it takes time to cultivate an engaged base of followers. As long as you have a good content strategy and keep pushing yourself to produce quality work, your channel will eventually start to grow. I hope these tips have given you some insight into how to approach creating content for your new YouTube channel, and I encourage you to keep at it. Good luck.